Question number 14. We've got a timetable. A bus goes from Harrow Lane to Cartbridge Street. The bus leaves Harrow Lane at 2 minutes past 8. At what time should the bus get to Cartbridge Street? You've got to be careful you pick the right column. Harrow Lane, 2 minutes past 8. It's this column here. At what time should the bus get to Cartbridge Street? At 8:50. This is the bus timetable for the return journey. A bus goes from Cartbridge Street to Harrow Lane. This bus leaves Hampden Road at 13:29. Work out how many minutes this bus should take to get from Hampden Road to Elm Drive. Okay, find the correct starting point, which is here, 13:29 from Hampden Road. How many minutes should this bus take to get from Hampden Road to Elm Drive? It should leave at 13:29 and should arrive at 13:43. You've got to work out the difference. 13:29. Well, a 10-minute journey would take you up to 13:39, which is not quite what time we're looking for. We need another 4 minutes to take us up to 13:43. So altogether, that journey will take 14 minutes. Part C. You've got to plan a journey that satisfies all of these conditions. We're going from Harrow Lane to Swipe Crescent. We need to stay for at least 3 hours, and then we need to be back in Harrow Lane for 4 o'clock, for 1600. You've got to plan the journey out. In order to do this, start at the end point and work backwards. If you've got to be back in Harrow Lane for 4 o'clock, then the last bus that you can get is this one here. Okay? This one will be too late. This is getting you back into Harrow Lane after 4 o'clock. So this bus here is the last one that we could take. And that would mean that we would need to leave Swipe Crescent at 15:16. So I'll mark that down. Peter wants to have at least 3 hours with his grandmother, so if that's what time he has to leave, then he has to arrive at 12:16 in order to give him his 3 hours. So then again, go back to the timetable. He's got to arrive in Swipe Crescent before 12:16 in order to give him the 3 hours. This bus gets into Swipe Crescent at 12:43, which is too late because we need to be in there by 12:16. This bus before it will get into Swipe Crescent at 11:41, which would work fine. It gives us at least 3 hours. It gives more than 3 hours, but that's fine. So he needs to leave Harrow Lane on the 2 minutes past 11 bus. Now what you're going to have to do now is you're going to have to write down a description of the various stages of the journey, but this is your plan. These are the key times that need to be included.